Hi everyone, Illinois Comptroller Susanna Mendoza here. I want to update you on a bill my office has introduced to the General Assembly to give more Illinois residents access to banking services. It's called Bank On Illinois. My office holds workshops all over the state that advise people on how to get their finances in order. But more than a fifth of Illinoisans lack access to the basic tools they need to do that. Many of us take for granted being able to cash a check at our bank, open a savings account to plan for our family's future, or secure a loan at a reasonable interest rate. But thousands of Illinoisans don't have access to these options. There are many reasons people can't use traditional banking. They may lack the proper identification or not have enough money for a minimum balance, or they may have a black mark on their credit from a tough financial time in their past. But whatever the reason, they pay for it in the exorbitant fees and sky-high interest rates that are typical at payday lenders and check-cashing stores. They call these places predatory lenders. In fact, the Brookings Institute found that, on average, a full-time worker who doesn't use traditional retail banking products is charged roughly $40,000 in just fees over their lifetime. That's crazy. My legislation will help break that cycle and offer a second chance to those with troubled financial histories to get back on the right track. Senate Bill 1332 will expand access to banking in Illinois by using Bank On, a proven national model that connects consumers with reliable, affordable, and equitable financial products. Bank On programs certify products that provide fair financial service with options such as no maintenance fees, low minimum deposits, and low or no overdraft fees. They also provide secured personal loans, low-risk lending that allows consumers with low credit scores to begin rebuilding their credit. My legislation will create a Bank On Illinois program in the Office of the Comptroller. Under this program, I would partner with governmental entities, representatives of the community, banks, and credit unions to certify financial products for customers and promote Bank On throughout Illinois. You'd be able to go on my website and see a list of bank options at your local banks that our office has checked out and certified. I'm working with legislative sponsors, Senator Christina Castro from Elgin and Representative Jahan Gordon Booth from Peoria. We're also working with supporters in the banking industry, community advocates, and local government officials. Lack of access to traditional banking is a problem in both rural and urban areas all over the state. By creating Bank On Illinois, we can help people in all of our communities avoid wasting their hard-earned dollar on high fees and, better yet, start to work toward securing their financial futures. If you have any questions or thoughts on my legislation, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Please contact your state senator and state representative to ask them to support this important legislation. Thanks so much for listening today. I truly look forward to working with the legislators on both sides of the aisle to get this important legislation done for the people of Illinois.